HVAC, plumbing, roofing, it's all the same business. I know that sounds wrong, because most contractors think, my business is different, but every trade has the same problems. Getting leads, scheduling jobs, managing crews, pricing work, getting paid. The work is different, but the system is the same. Every business runs on leads coming in, jobs being scheduled, work getting done, money coming in. That's it. An HVAC company, a plumber, a roofer, they all deal with missed calls, scheduling chaos, team issues, pricing problems. So the solution isn't different. It's the same systems applied correctly. So I built a tool that shows you the core systems your business needs, how they apply to your trade, and what to fix first. It's in the description. Run it. Stop thinking your business is different and start fixing the right systems. Comment system if you want more like this.